Hi, in this video we're going to be showing you how to assemble this entry table. This piece features Walker Edison's easy assembly technology, which means fewer parts, less frustration, and no additional tools required. Estimated time for assembly is 15 minutes or less, so let's get into it. We'll start by laying the top of our table upside down so it looks just like this. And then we'll take one of our sides and we'll stand it up so that the feet are facing upwards and this little open cubby is going to be facing in. So it'll look like this. And then we'll line up the holes on the inside here with the top of our table. And then we'll take our bolts, putting the lock washer on first and the flat washer on second. And then we'll put 3 bolts into the underside of our cubby. And it may help not to tighten these completely until you get all 3 bolts lined up. Once they're all in part way, then you can tighten them. Once all of those are tightened, we'll do the same thing again on the other side. So we'll flip up this side and line up the holes. And then we'll put our 3 bolts in part way. And then we can tighten them completely. All right, once those are all tightened completely, then we can flip our table over. Okay, then we're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in building your new entry table. For more guides, tips, and tricks, head on over to walkeredison.com.